guys. So I just woke up and now I'm getting ready. Today I am going to go get a perm for my hair, because when I get a perm it actually saves me so much time on getting ready, doing my hair. Because when it's more straight, I kind of have to use product and style it when I go out. But when I have a perm, I just honestly kind of do nothing sometimes. I just wet it and it's all good to go. So I go to this Japanese hairdresser in West London. It's in, I think, is it Ealing Common or Ealing Broadway or something? One of the Ealings. And apparently they're the first Japanese hairdresser to open in London. It's on their website as well, and I've also asked and they say they are. So that's interesting. I assume they opened ages ago, back in the day. And I've been there a few times and the experiences so far has been good. I usually like to go to Japanese hairdressers because they're quite, they're very detailed oriented. They pay attention to your hair and the details very well. They understand the texture of my hair and how it would grow out naturally and whatnot. Obviously they're very nice and polite as well. So yeah, I've been there a few times and it was good, so might as well keep going back. Speaking of haircuts, you notice my dog has a new look. She came back from her spa day at the groomers this week. She got a nice cute cut for summer. Okay, so I think I'm done. I'm just gonna put on some setting spray and then I'll take you guys with me to get my perm.